Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you again for tuning in. If you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for always subscribing and supporting the girl. So in today's video guys, I have for you an eyebrow tutorial. I know I have another one, but I just wanted to show you a quick and a better quality video. So firstly, I'm going to show you what we're going to need. So we're going to need a black pencil. That one's from Essence and it retails for like 30 rand. We're gonna need a brown pencil. It's also from Essence. It also retails for 30 rand. And we're gonna need a brush. So this is like an old mascara that I used. I just washed it off and then I use it as my brush to brush my eyebrows. The next thing we're gonna need is our translucent powder because I have really oily skin, so my eyebrows become oily quickly. And we're gonna need our concealer. This is from LA Girl and I use one that is exactly my color skin tone. And we're gonna need our foundation. So I'm a shade 360. So yeah, before we start, we just have to use our translucent powder to set my eyebrows because like I said, I have really oily skin, so my eyebrows tend to get oily during the day and it's really not nice. So I just set my eyebrows for like maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It really helps. If you also have oily skin, you should try this technique guys. It really helps. And okay, after 5 minutes, okay, we just have to brush. Now we're brushing off. So like I was saying, we just finished brushing off the powder. Now we just have to brush our eyebrows in an upward direction so that they can be more defined. I know my eyebrows are like invisible, but yeah. So next, we're gonna start with drawing our eyebrows, guys. This is pretty, can I say easy? Because my eyebrows are literally non-existent, so I just follow a shape that I feel like for that specific day. So you just have to make sure you choose a shape that's gonna go for you. And if you have fuller eyebrows, just make sure your eyebrows are trimmed perfectly and you have your perfect eyebrow. So I just outline with a black eyeliner because my eyebrows are non-existent. So I just do that to make sure that they are visible a bit, because sometimes when I use brown, they are not really visible. So here, I'm just gonna quickly do that. So now we're done with drawing our eyebrows. Now we just have to fill in the eyebrows with the brown pencil. So you just have to make sure that it's blended in properly with your black, because you don't want your black to be visible too much. So you just have to make sure that it's blended in properly. And when you blend in, you first have to blend in the ends of the eyebrow, and then you only do the front after that. So one thing about eyebrows, guys, for me, they are never the same. They can never be the same. Okay, so now you can see the front of your eyebrow. You just have to brush it up lightly because you don't want your eyebrows to be dark in the front. So you just have to brush it up lightly. So as I was saying, my eyebrows can never be the same. Like I really struggle with that. I try as many times as possible, but they never turn out the same. But anyway, we move. So yeah, I'm done with the one side. Now we're gonna go in with the other side. So what you do on the right, you must do on the left. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna take in our concealer and just make sure you conceal the bottom part. You just have to be careful, guys, because I don't use, oh, excuse the mina. Most of the time I don't use a brush, but for easier application you can use a brush. I'm just so used to using the concealer on its own. But yeah, you just have to be extra careful, because if you ruin the line, it's gonna ruin the whole entire eyebrow, and you don't want that. So after we're done with that, we're gonna do the other side. So now the next thing we're gonna do is outline our eyebrows on the top part. So what I usually do is I use my foundation, because the concealer is a bit light. I feel like it makes the eyebrows look a bit funny. So what you have to do is just use your foundation so that it blends very well with your skin. So that's what we're gonna quickly do now. And I think I kind of messed up this eyebrow, but yeah. I hope you guys get the idea. But yeah, I think they're gonna look just right at the end of the video. So when we're done with outlining our eyebrows, you just have to make sure it's blended in properly, and just make sure your eyebrows look perfect, and brush up your eyelashes, which I don't have. But yeah, that is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I love you. I'll see you on my next video. Toodles.